Here you go, Bob. A big slice of homemade cherry pie.
That looks delicious, Betty.
Well, now don't say that until you've tried it.
Betty, you belong in the kitchen.
Speaking of the kitchen, Bob, I was wondering if we could finally get a dishwasher.
Dishwasher?
It's a contraption that washes dishes. Heard of it?
Now, Betty, those things are expensive.
Look, this one's on sale for $100. It's a steal.
Tell you what, if you can steal the thing, you can have one.
You know, my hands are ruined from washing dishes every day.
Now, isn't that why you make me buy you that hand cream?
Let's get the dishwasher. How about it?
I'll get you more hand cream. Besides, I wouldn't want a machine to wash my dishes. I like it to have a woman's touch. Your touch.
Okay, Bob.
Good girl.
Oh, Bob, I almost forgot your favorite.
I was wondering where the ice cream was.
Here you go, Bob. Cherry pie a la mode.
Oh, boy.
Now eat up before it melts.
Gee. Bitch.
Dave's dazzling dishwashers are on sale for only $100. Be sure to get one for your wife. Or else.